Hey guys, I wanted to do just a get ready with me. So I always start off with my eyes, and these are all the products that I used on my eyes on this day. I will list everything down below because I cannot remember the name of everything and I did not write it down. I'm a terrible YouTuber, I know, sorry. I am using this NYX Brow Pomade. I forgot to add that in my clip of everything I use. I am not a brow person. I'm actually kind of nervous showing you guys how I do my brows anyway because I'm scared of the judgment. But go big or go home, I'll show you guys how I do my brows. So that's how I do them. I pretty much just slap them on. I carve out the bottom and just roll them on. I brush them up like an old man crazy brow, and then I brush it out with a spoolie. They look super powerful and strong right now, but when I get the rest of my makeup on, it comes together. So without makeup, they look a little clownish and crazy, is what Alex has told me. He asked me one day, what did you do to your eyebrows? And I was like, I don't know, I just put them on. So I'm just priming my eyelids up with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. This is an Eden. I know this because I use it all the time. This is the eyeshadow name I cannot remember, but it's an Urban Decay eyeshadow. I will list the name below, but it's just like a shimmery golden beige color. It's really pretty, and I'm just throwing that all over the lid. And as always, this is going to be a very basic look for me. Hopefully you guys aren't getting bored with them, but this is just what I like doing. So just putting that all over in the crease, everything. And then I'm taking this mint cream eyeliner from NYX. This is their FauxWhites collection, and I'm putting that in the lower waterline and a little bit on the lash line. It looks super crazy right now. It just looks very like bold and like what is going on? But it will come together, I promise. So this isn't another NYX product. This is one of their Prismatic eyeshadows. I cannot remember the name of it, but it is also like a mint color and it's very shimmery and pretty. So I'm just using that to make the eyeliner pop more and just kind of setting the eyeliner in place. And then I went back into the beigey Urban Decay eyeshadow on the lower lash line to pull it together. And then this is another Urban Decay eyeshadow single. This is the color Blackout. Super easy name to remember, but I'm just using that as my eyeliner for the day. This was a very like natural look. I didn't use any cream or gel eyeliners. I just used a powdered eyeshadow. And then I'm taking the simple makeup remover wipes and I'm just gonna clean up the eye area a little bit. And cleaning up the brows a little bit because I knew they were looking a little strong. I think I need to probably pluck my brows because I think that pomade grabs onto whatever hair you have, and I have blonde hair, so I think that's why they look so strong, because they're grabbing onto the blonde hairs on top of it. So moving on to the face, I always do my eyes first and then my face. I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime primer stick. This is a colored stick. I really like it because it kind of gives me a first base of color and kind of helps even everything out, and it's very smoothing. And then I am using a peach corrector. This is the UltaBeauty collection concealer, and this is their peach corrector. I'm just kind of correcting the dark circles. My dark circles go down pretty far, so that's why I put it down so far. And then I'm using the UltaBeauty concealer. I know this concealer is way too dark on me, but returning it is just a huge hassle, so I just deal with it. But believe me, I know it's way too dark. But I do really like it. It has really good coverage. It's really smooth. I don't think it looks cakey or anything like that, so I really do enjoy it. And then going in with my Maybelline foundation stick. This is the Fit Me Shine Free foundation stick. This isn't the new one that they just came out with. This is the old one, but I wanted to give it a try and to see what it's like. And sorry, the dogs. it works out pretty good. It's okay. Doesn't have very much coverage, but the concealer has a lot of coverage, so it kind of makes up for that. And I think it's way too light on me on top of it, so, you know. I'm just making these things work. So this is the same thing, the same product line, Maybelline Fit Me foundation stick, but I got it in a darker color to contour. And the contour looks super strong on camera, but it really wasn't that strong in person. So I think, you know, the camera, the way it picks up things, it makes it look different. But I really like using this for contour, and I could see myself repurchasing this as a contour, just not as a foundation, just because the coverage isn't as good as a foundation. But for contouring, it's really good. I really like it. It's very smooth. And then using this NYX No Filter powder, I really like this. This really makes everything look super smooth, and it's like matte but not flat. It's like a satin matte, so it's very natural looking. So I really enjoy it, using it to kind of set my face a little bit. And then using the UltaBeauty, this is like a baked palette, and it has like a bronzer, a blush, and a highlight. And I use all of those things. You're gonna see a lot of product repeats with me, just because first of all, I'm putting myself on a spending freeze right now, so I'm gonna try and just use what I have and not buy anything new. And you know, I don't make money from YouTube yet, and I don't get anything sent to me yet, so I just like using what I have and all of that. So you'll see a lot of product repeats from me. But I really am enjoying this palette from UltaBeauty. It's very smooth, and the pigmentation is really nice, and the shine on it is really pretty. It's not too shimmery, and it's not too matte, so I really enjoy it. Okay, and then to do my little 3-step set system, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro Aqua Prime Base. So this is just kind of smoothing everything down. If I look super powdery, which I usually tend to, because I usually kind of overdo it sometimes, but I'm just kind of smoothing that down. And then I'm taking the Rimmel Stay Matte Translucent Powder and just setting the areas that I get super oily, or where my makeup tends to break up the most, so like on my nose and in my smile lines that I have developed now. And then just taking the Makeup Revolution Sports Fix Spray. So this is new to me, but I really enjoy it. I think it's just like your typical setting spray, but I think it works out really good, and I see a difference. My makeup looks like it lasts a little bit longer than it normally would. And then for my brows, I usually use a brow gel, just because I have very thick, curly, coarse brows. Well, they're not like super, they're kind of thick. They're thick in some areas, but not all areas. But anyway, I just like to kind of glue them down, basically, because otherwise they get kind of wild. And then using the L'Oreal Lash Primer, the Voluminous Lash Primer, and then the Voluminous Carbon Black Waterproof Mascara. I really enjoy these two together. I think they work really good. And then this is a Flower Beauty lip liner. I am not a lip liner person. I just pretty much throw it on. So, yeah. And then this is a BH Cosmetics lipstick. This was a collection from someone. Again, I will have all the products listed down below. Cannot remember, but I'm not even sure if they sell it anymore. But I always blot my lips, and then I'm using a Mary Kay lip gloss. It's like a brown shimmery lip gloss, and I thought it just really pulled the look together with the shimmeriness of it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Get ready with me. I know it's still a pretty simple basic look, but I have really been loving the mint green eyeliner with the mint green eyeshadow under it for my lower waterline. It just looks really pretty and makes my eyes pop, and I don't know, I just feel like it's kind of like fun and summery. And you know, the lip I usually typically do like a rosy nude lip, and you know, just my usual, but I just wanted to film a video of me just basically getting ready, full face, eyes and everything. So hopefully you enjoyed. Be sure to comment and subscribe and like this video. And as always, live life in full bloom, and I will see you guys later. Bye!